this is the monkey doing the ice bucket challenge. And first bucket. Ready, monkey? Oh, yes, I am indeed. Okay. As you see, monkey's just had some birthday cakes, though. Oh my god! That's freezing cold! Oh. Yeah, monkey, you got another bucket to go, yeah.
Huh?
Yep. Okay. Oh my god! That's freezing! Monkey, you've got about 4 or 5 buckets. Oh my god. Oh, that's freezing. Oh my god. Yeah, monkey, this is what you get for when you get nominated by fish. Yeah, monkey, I don't think you're gonna get 5 buckets, I think you're gonna get 6. What? Yep. Okay, this is your last one. Think? No.
7 buckets and more.
No, this is your last one.
No.
Right. Okay, now this is the last one. I am freezing. And now monkey is going to be doing the extra ice bucket challenge. Right there. Let me get some water. You just speak.
Okay, hey guys, this is Rabbit's Perfect, and we are doing ice bucket challenge for a monkey. Yeah, just for your entertainment. So yeah, I hope you enjoy and subscribe. I'm gonna probably doing more videos. Oh my god. And yes, it is my birthday. So yeah, hope you enjoy our videos. Got more water?
Next.
Right, let me do this. Right, I'm gonna do this for monkey. Oh, where's bucket?
I don't need it, you just tip it all over.
I know, where's bucket though?
Inside.
Okay. Right.
Monkey, are you ready? No, wait, let me look.
Don't
God.
look.
Wait, I need to say my nominations. Okay, I nominate, well, you gotta do these nominations straight after I do it. Okay? So, I nominate Vinny, Possum, and Cora. Oh, and right, that's it.
Are you sure, monkey?
I'm sure.
Say one more, monkey.
I'm sure.
Say one more, monkey.
One more what?
One more nomination.
This is a hard one. This is tricky. Let's say Mittens, the moody cow. Okay, go. Oh my god, oh my god.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed, everybody.
I hope you enjoyed. As this is soaking wet. Okay, guys. Thank you. Oh yeah, you got 10 minutes to do this, everybody.